Today we are going to do a project called the longest line. We are going to do one continuous line with Sharpie, add some geometric shapes, and color in those geometric shapes. So to begin today, I want you on the back of a 9x12 piece of paper to write your name. Then go ahead and flip it over so you can't see your name. And we are going to start by drawing one continuous line. You will notice with my continuous line in the background that it does not ever touch or cross overlap. So it's just one long line. I started here, went all the way around, and came back here. So there's not a start and an end because they will come together. So again, I think I will come here, and I will just start taking my time, doing interesting line, thinking as I do this, I cannot have that line touch. Could do zigzag, wavy. I am not, also notice how I am not picking up my Sharpie. It's going to be one long line. And there's no really wrong way to do this as long as you're not picking up your pencil and you're not overlapping or having the lines cross. And I have to be careful here. I don't want that to touch. And I would keep going, keep filling in, keep going until my entire sheet looks like this. And when I do finish, I started here, I came around, and I ended there as well. So again, you're going to start and end at the same point. Then you're going to choose 3 or 4 different geometric shapes. With a pencil, you're going to sketch out those shapes. So I think up here I will do a square. And then I think I will do a circle. I think I'll do a long rectangle. And then here in the middle I will do, I think, a heart. And it may be a little difficult to see in the video, but I don't really want to see the pencil lines when I'm done. The next step, as you can see here, I did 3 shapes here. You can it depends on what you want to do. And then I'm going to take markers and I'm going to fill in and only cover or only color in the areas that are inside that geometric shape. So I'm going to choose some colors that I think will look nice together. So I'm going to start, I think I'll start with green. I'll start with this rectangle. Oh, and that green is not working very well. That will happen, I'm sure. So I will start by coloring in the geometric shape and only the lines that are in that geometric shape. So I think I'll save that for another. Kind of want to have them balanced out, and then maybe another color that I think would look nice. I would choose between 3 or 4 colors per section. So you can see as I'm coloring, I'm keeping in mind not to go, so this shape continues over here, but I'm not going past it because that is where my rectangle stops. That's the outline of my rectangle here. My marker is not running a little bit low, but you can still see it. Okay, then I may choose another color here. So go back in. Again, you can see I'm only going inside that rectangle. so that when you're all done filling it in with those colors, it looks exactly like a rectangle. And you would continue doing that for all of your shapes. You want to take your time, do your best coloring. And I'll probably go back in and put some green as well. So there's my line of my rectangle. You can see it's coming together here. I don't want to forget this little area. But again, so I think I'm done here with my rectangle. And then I will do the same thing, choose different colors for my heart, the same for my square, and the same for my circle. So it looks like this. And then the final step of your project is to take your Sharpie and to outline those original pencil lines. Just so that those shapes really stand out. And then you are done with your longest line project.